In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Discord for PC. Now, if you're new to this channel, please go down below and hit the subscribe button. Once you subscribe, go ahead and leave a like on this video as well. I really do appreciate that, guys. Thank you, guys. Now, let's get right into the video. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go to your Chrome, or you can go to any browser that you have, but personally, I'm going to use Chrome. So, and go to Chrome. Then in the search engine, search for Discord. Then go to that first link. Ensure that you've chosen the correct website. So this is the official website, discord.com. So just click on the link. Then it will bring you to their homepage. Now here you need to select download for Windows. But if you want to use Discord on your browser, you can go ahead and open Discord in your browser. But for this video, I'm going to click on download for Windows. So as you can see on the, at the top there, the file is already downloading. So let us give it time for it to finish. As you can see, it is 110 MB. So according to the speed of your internet, it determines how fast the file will download. So let us just give it time for it to finish. Now once the download has completed, just click on the file once. Then click on run. Okay guys, now this window will appear on your screen. So if you have an account, you can log in, but if you do not have an account, just click on register down there. Then you need to enter your email. You need to enter your display name, username, password, and your date of birth. Then you will just click on, you will check on that box, then you will click on continue. But as for me, I have an account, so I'll just go and click there. Then I'll enter my email there. Then I'll enter my password. Then click on login. So as you can see, I'm logged in into my Discord account. So you can go ahead and add friends. If you need to add friends, you can go ahead and add friends. You can also create channels using that plus icon on your farthest left. If you need to do more, you can go to settings and you can set up your profile and your account. So that's it, guys. That's how you can download Discord on PC. Now, if this video has helped you out, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.